Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX, the one and only Mr. Too Good. We're back again with another video. Today, we're checking AUDUSD. So, guys, the reason why I always uh, check on these pairs is because these pairs they have these beautiful structures, guys, which we can capitalize on. Right, so I'll always give updates on them. For example, you can just take here this structure. We haven't yet, guys, arrived to the 90% rules. Do you understand that? So I would always update you because you need to eat, guys. You need to be part of the winning team and win. Understand? So let's just do like that. So as you can see here, the market broke this channel. Do you understand? We know impulse, correction, impulse, right? So right now, guys, what we have is that after the breakout, we have what? A correction. Do you understand? And this correction, guys, it's ready to what? To push up and make 9% roll. You understand? It's a beautiful structure. As you can see here, the market broke, right, and come back retest. So let's identify this area. Yeah, and not just neglect it. Here we have this zone here. The market broke this structure and then created this conjugation pattern. We can want to show you something like this. You are familiar with this flag, right? It's a common flag, even though it's a common flag, a basic flag, right? Impulse, correction. Then we have what? Impulse. Do you understand? So I want us to approach it in a different manner so that you can understand what we're doing, right? So let's just put it like this. Yeah, something like this. As you can see here, we can tell the market is moving sideways, right? The market hasn't yet made like higher highs, continue to go up, right? It's moving out. As you can see, touched it, went down, touched it again, it touched it, went down. So it basically moving like this. You understand? So meaning if the market can push up and come to this area, we expect the market to push down again, something like this, right? So we're inside this structure, right? So if you can go a little closer and check to H4. Let's go to H4 and see what's happening there. So on H4, we're gonna identify what? We're gonna identify the trend line, which is what the flag. We'll identify the flag, which is this one. I want you guys to be able, right, to handle the market in any way. You understand? Not just only in like one way and like, the market's gonna do this, gonna do that, and you focus on that. No, you must have the other possibilities. You understand? So we have this area, trying to find this area here. Let me explain here. You can see here we have this huge impulse and then we have this correction, which is a flag, something that you are very common with it. It means we have this first touch, the second touch, and we are waiting for what? For the third touch, meaning we're just waiting for the market to push down to this level and make it third touch and push up. And then you can ask yourself a question: why did I identify this zone here? This zone here, it's a high volume area. You can clearly see that this pullback here, this pullback created this huge impulse. Meaning, if the market can come back to this area, it can give us the same impulse. Hence, that's why I identified. And I can also see here the market rejected here, it went down, gave us this, right? Came back up, rejected this level. So meaning this is a strong area. This is what measures on. That's how you see measures. You understand? And then it's a very common thing that we have on price action that every third touch, the market needs to move, give us a huge impulse. So like we have flags, this kind of but let me just make it bigger like this one. We have this kind of flags. You can go and include it, Google them. This kind of flags, something like this. They touch, then it pushes up, which you call them a conjugation pattern or a conjugation flag. When hence, this is what the market has done here. Do you understand? So guys, it's very, very important to know the patterns because they help you to understand what right now, like when the market is like this, and I know I'm a Norman, I have this pattern here. So what am I expecting? You understand? What I'm expecting, I'm expecting the market to push down to this area to make a dead touch and pull up. Do you understand? So in my mind, I'm like, okay, I'm waiting for what? For sales. I'm selling the market, right? And another thing is like, okay, I'm gonna wait for the market to push up and come to this area to make what? To make also a dead touch. Use 1, 2, then 3. And then I look down and say, no, we haven't yet made a dead touch there. So we have a possibility of pushing down and make that dead touch and then we push up. You understand? So it makes you to have, because when I come to you and say, why are you saying the market's gonna buy here? You understand? You must have reasons. You can't say, no, I see like it's buying. No, you must have reason. You must, when you're analyzing the market, guys, you must ask yourself questions. Why am I saying the market's going to go down? Why am I saying the market's going to go? I'm saying because we are having what? We're having two touches here. And then so far, the market hasn't reached that high volume area. And I see this is our high volume area. And then the market needs what? Needs a dead touch to push up. Do you understand? Then I'm saying, no, the market might go down. But no, if the market doesn't go down, if it decides to push up, I'm gonna wait for it to reach this zone. Do you understand? And then I'm gonna look for what? For a confirmation of a sell. Then I'm gonna take it to this point because I still need that what? Dead touch. So this kind of structure, they guide you. Do you understand? They guide you what you expect. So you need to know these structures. You need to know these patterns. You need to know them. So if you're struggling with this, I'm here. I'm your mentor, Mr. Dynamics Advice. I can teach you every structure. You understand? So let's go to this thing that I've just seen here. Let's identify this area. There's something that I want to explain with this thing. Check it out. So the market rejected, yet went down, came back again, rejected, went down, came back, make a fake breakout, came back in, retested. Do you understand? I want us to learn more about this because a lot of people, they are losing opportunity because of this thing. So the market broke out, make a fake breakout. It came back in again and retested. Now it went down. Do you understand? We see the market going up again, make a fake breakout. Then it broke in again. Now it's coming back to retest this level. Meaning we're expecting what? We're expecting the same move, which is this one, to push down, to make this dead touch. I don't know if you understand me, guys. Like I always explain to you guys. Okay, let's also identify this zone because this is also a strong area which the market touched multiple times. It's going to be our first TP, which is this one. Do you understand? The market touched it, went up, made a fake breakout here, broke in, came back and retest. So this kind of things, that is where you need to capitalize, guys. When the market breaks out in a certain zone and then decides to break in like this, wait for a retest. Every time it's gonna come back and retest, and then it's gonna go down with the movement. Like this point here. You had your zone here, the market rejected, and then the market decided to push up. When the market decides to push back again inside the zone, wait for a retest. It retested, then it went down. Let's come to this here from this support. The market rejected, the market went down and broke what? The support. And then it came back again. Pushes up, wait for the market. Guys, even if you have to wait, you understand? Even if you have to wait for the whole day, it's fine. wait for the market. It's going to come back and retest from that zone. The market came back and retested and give us this huge impact. Imagine if we have benefited from the just from waiting for the market to break in and retest, and then you take it. So that's why I'm always explaining these things. Like when the market breaks out and then breaks in, wait for it, wait for it, wait for a retest, and then continue the movement. So we see it here, the market broke out again. And now it broke in. If you can check here, it retested just a little bit here, and then it went down. But then we took it because we know when it breaks in, it needs to. So now the market went up again to retest fully now. Do you understand? So what we're expecting now, we're expecting the market to push down because already, let's go to the H1. Because already it's pushing down. Already it's pushing down. You can clearly see here, the market is pushing down, and then what we can check is to see these levels here. And then what I can do here is for the market to wait for the market to at least push to this area and give me a confirmation, and then that's what I'm gonna be looking at, and then I'm gonna make sure that my stop loss it's above. Yeah, let's make it 20%. Yeah, something like this, right? But when the market decides to push, like to push up, guys, because we don't control the market, I'm saying the market might come and reject this zone because we can clearly see here the market rejected, made a support, came back down, right? So now it's pushing up, coming back to retest this zone. To understand, it broke in, come back to retest this zone, and then we're expecting what? We're expecting a sell to the downside, right? So if the market decides to do otherwise and push up, so this is what I want you to focus on. Because we're still, if the market hasn't yet broke this level, we're still looking for sells. Do you understand? There's no time to change. So what we're gonna be waiting for the market to push up to this area, and then in this area, you're gonna wait for what? For a bearish candlestick, maybe a just bearish candlestick like this one somewhere, right? And then if it creates a bearish candlestick in this area, don't worry about it. Just wait for it to create that bearish candlestick, and then that's where you enter a trade. This is your TP. Then you put your stop loss above that higher that's gonna be created. Something like this. Do you understand? But for now, we're just looking for what? We're looking for sells. As long as the market is under this resistance, we're looking for sells. Do you understand, guys? Just simple as that. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for choosing my channel, Mr. Dynamics FX, signing out. God bless you.